spread of novel coronavirus disease can be stopped. If you are sneezing and have cough with fever, visit your nearest health clinic or center immediately. Help us to help you. Visit your nearest health facility if you have cough, fever or difficulty in breathing, or contact helpline number 9111 2397 8046.
জিলিকি জিলিকি থকা খৌদুৰ আকাশৰ তৰা তুমি এখনি ধুনীয়া ছবি মই গোপনে গোপনে অঁকা